and we are manufacturer. We have 2 factories in China. It means our price is very competitive. This is the first advantage. And our hot selling products are air jack, floor jack, bottle jack, tire changer machine, and some other products which are Hello everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we will take 2 hours to introduce our company information and our products. So in these 2 hours we will introduce more information. If you have any interest, just focus on us and follow us. I think and I believe we will bring much surprise for you. Okay, now I will introduce our company information first. You can see on the wall, our company name is Hebei Duty Lifting Technology, and we are manufacturer. We have 2 factories in China. It means our price is very competitive. This is the first advantage. And our hot selling products are air jack, floor jack, bottle jack, tire changer machine, and some other products, which are this one. This one is for our tire changer machine. This one is for our tire changer machine, and this one is for patent certificate. It means this certificate is for our tire changer machine appearance, because we design our tire changer machine by ourselves, so we apply this certificate. And this certificate, you can see, this certificate is our CE certificate for air jack. It means our air jack has passed the CE from TUV, so our quality is very stable. It also means we can export our air jack to European countries, including Germany, France, and some other countries. So this is a CE certificate for our air jack. Next, you can see this one. This one is our company business license. So for this license, we have the right to sell our products in China market. We also have the right to sell our products to abroad, any world, any country in the world. So if you have any interest in our product, just focus on us and you can follow us. We will introduce our products one by one for you. First, I will introduce one of our hot selling products, the air jack. You can see in our showroom there are 2 samples of our air jacks. The air jack, the use, the application is for repair truck and car tires, to change the tires. And first I will introduce our air jack capacity. Capacity we can produce 30 ton, 50 ton, 60 ton, 80 ton, 100 ton, and 120 ton. So different capacity for your choice. And this sample is 30 ton, and this sample is 60 ton. And take this sample for example. If you use it, I want to mention and I want most important is explain when you use it. First, if you lift the first section, this one, the load bearing is 30 ton. And after lifting the second section, then the lifting load bearing is held. It means it only can load 15 ton. So when you use it, you must pay attention to this. You cannot use it overload. It is very dangerous. It means different section has different load bearing. Okay, so this is the capacity. And for the lifting height, this is the lifting height. So different capacity has different lifting height. And the bigger the capacity, the higher the lifting height. So this is the lifting height information. Next, I will introduce some special designs for air jack. First, you can see I will introduce the cylinder. You can see this is our cylinder. This is our cylinder. From the appearance, you can judge it is different, right? So what's the difference? First, this one, the color is black. And this one, it is a little more bright. It is a little more bright. The difference is if your target price is low, we suggest this model. But maybe if your country usually ruin, not good weather and humid environment, we suggest this one. Because this one, the surface is chromed and galvanized. So it is not easy to rust. It is very suitable for use in humid environment. So if you are from, for example, Vietnam, Malaysia, so we suggest this model. Okay, so this is the cylinder of the information. Next, I will introduce the handle. You can see our handle. This is our handle. Maybe you always check on internet. Some other supplier, they offer the handle is straight, and not connect and not folded. But our handle is folded, and after folded, it will be like this. So it is very small. You can see after folded, it will be very small, and it will take very small space. Why we design like this, I want to explain, because you know, at this moment, shipping cost is very high. So maybe some customers will be very headache. Oh, I will pay so much shipping cost. But after this design, our machine will be so small and it will take very small space. So we can save shipping cost for our customers. So this is the intention why we design like this. This is the handle. Okay, so next I will introduce here. Here we call it a horn. You can see maybe some customers they use the machine, use the air jack. The lifting height is not enough for them to use. So how to do? You can use the horn. How to use? Like this. You put the horn on the top of the cylinder so that it can enhance the lifting height of the machine. This one is 60 millimeter, and this one, if it is not enough, you can use this one. Together, this one, the lifting height is 40 millimeter, and the third one, it is 10 millimeter. You can see 10 millimeter. Okay, so I think
it's right. I think it is high enough. And these three pieces we offer you for free. You do not need to pay anything. We offer for free. So this is the horn. Next, I want to introduce another very important part. We call it oil water separator. Here, oil water separator. So what's this part function? Usually maybe some other supplier they do not have this part, but every machine, every air jack, we will add the oil water separator. The function for the oil water separator is to prevent the water in the air not going inside the cylinder, so that our cylinder can work a long time and it can not easy to rust, because you know in the air there is water. So the oil water separator is to prevent the water in the air not going inside the cylinder. So this is a function, and this is a very, very important part. We suggest when you buy it, you must ask us to add it. This is the oil water separator. Okay, this part information. Next, I will introduce the wheel. You can see our wheel. Our wheel first, the size is very big. The size is very big. You can see it is very big. And the material of the size, the wheel is rubber. It is rubber. It is rubber material. It is rubber material. And you know the rubber material, it is very soft. It is very soft. And when you use it, it will be low noise. Low noise. So when you use it, it is quiet. It is quiet. And it is wearproof. Wearproof. This is a wheel. And next, I want to introduce this part. We call it a switch. 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 This is a switch. Okay, so this switch is to control the machine working. Control the machine working. So when you push the button to the left, here this direction is left. It means our machine will lift. Will lift. If you push the button to the middle, it has 3 positions. If you push the button to the middle, then our machines will stop working. And if you want our machines going down, if you finish working and do not want to use it, so just push the button to the right, and then it will stop work. So this is a switch. There are 2 kinds of switch. This one is a little big, and this one is small. So this one price is a little high because it is.
For use this one, if you want this one, you can also ask us. This is the switch. Okay, so just now I already introduced some special designs for our air jack. Next, I want to introduce the package. Our air jack package is wooden case, then pack on pallet. Because you know our customers are always from abroad, from different countries, so it takes a long time for the transportation. So our wooden case is strong enough to protect our machines from ruin, from rust, from from dirty. So our wooden case is strong enough. You do not need our machines from damage. This is a package. Package finished the introduction. I will introduce the delivery time. So if you have any purchase plan and if you have orders, you can contact us. We can finish our delivery and production very fast because I already mentioned we are manufacturer. It means we have our own factory. We can control our production time and we can finish our production very fast. For example, if your order quantity is small, such as 1 piece or 2 pieces or 3 pieces or maybe less than 10 pieces, we have stock. Today we receive your payment. Tomorrow we can arrange the delivery for you fast. But if your quantity is a little big, for example, 20 feet container, so we can finish our production in 7 days, also very fast. So you do not need to worry about the production time. We can finish your order very, very fast. Just feel free to place order to us and tell us your order details. We will offer best price for you. Okay, this is delivery time. Next, I want to introduce another very important thing. Maybe some customer will ask, what about your warranty? If I get your product and after use sometimes it is broken, how can I do? I want to explain, do not need to worry because we offer warranty 1 year. We offer guarantee 1 year. It means all of our machine, no matter which part broken, we can guarantee and we can be responsible for all the parts in 1 year. For example, if this part If this part is broken, then in 1 year we will send you this broken spare parts for free. You do not need to pay anything. You do not need to pay anything. This is a warranty. And if after 1 year, it means maybe 2 years, your machine broken again, and I want to say also do need worry, because you only need to pay the broken parts, and we will be responsible for the delivery cost. You only need to pay the broken spare parts. So this is the warranty. Okay, so this is some basic information for our air jack. This is some basic information for our air jack. Next, I want to introduce another very important service, OEM service. OEM service. I already mentioned again and again and again. We are manufacturer. We have our own factory. It means we can control our machines. We can control. We can produce the color as your request. No matter blue color, orange color, we also can offer red color. We also can produce as your request. Any color is available here in our company. Also, we can offer the logo OEM. It means if you want to show your logo on the machine, you can see this is a label. If you want to show your logo on the label, it is also no problem. We can design it for you, and we also can produce and show your logo on our machine. So this is a logo. And sometimes maybe some customers, they want the package also OEM. Maybe they want on the wooden case, they want to show their logo. It is also no problem. We also can show maybe other language such as Spanish language or Vietnam language on the carton, on the package. So this is our OEM service. All of our products, we can offer OEM service. Okay, so just now I already introduced all of our information for our air jack. If you have any question or if you have any interest in our product,